So here this front-end stuff I named it, and I just created this front-end stuff folder. The name is just a name, yes, but it is having the front-end stuff definitely. Today I will be moving further into it because these things are also necessary when you are going to work on a project related to the JavaScript things. Today I'm just going to talk about some JavaScript date class. We will see some control statements handling through front-end. Front-end things I'm just taking care of because these things will be required. Creating a new file without delaying. File 6.html. Okay, so this is here JavaScript script I'm taking here. And simply this script can also be taken in the head section. This time I'm taking it in the head section. If you are taking it in head or body, it is simply considered to be embedded JavaScript only. Either it is in head or body, or simply you can take it in the head also. Simply we have taken before also in head or body, both. So suppose if I'm taking it in the body, so I'm just taking here where the code would be same wherever you take it. New date. So date is a predefined class which I'm using here. And this predefined class I'm using, creating the object for it. I'm creating the object for it. Where time I'm taking here, and d dot get, not the d. Okay, let's take it d only when I've written it d. So get hours. Okay, so d dot get hours which I have written. Get hours is a predefined method in the date class. Okay, this is a predefined method in the date class. If time less than 10, okay, that is our case. Sorry, it is not our case. The time is above 10 a.m. you can say right now. So on the web when we are printing, so we just need the document dot write as I told you previously. So front end JavaScript it is. Now, suppose I'm just taking H1. Let's take H1 only. Whatever you feel like, you can take. All the HTML things will be supported inside the JavaScript stuff. So good morning, let's say. But in case it is above that, so it will be just going to the else portion, and it will be just printing good day, let's say. Okay, so here we go. This is our code. And let's try to run it and see what's going to be happening. Obviously, we are going to get the message good day. And because we have simply taken less than 10, so this is actually capturing the system clock. According to the system clock, the values are coming. Here you can see it's printing good day. That's absolutely like fine because we are simply having time above 10 a.m. and it is capturing the system clock. Accordingly, it's giving us the output. Okay, so this is here. Let's do something more into it. This was just the if else things which I told you. Let's see them some switch case also. Okay, so here I'm just taking this HTML and I'm taking the script, and here I'm taking where d equals to new date. Once again I'm taking date, and simply I'm taking where the day. See, in the date class, the time means minute, second, hour, and date, day, and year, everything is stored. So d dot get day. Okay, this is internally stored in the date. So here I'm just using the switch. We have studied about it before also. And the day I am taking here. So here I'm just taking, let's say case 5. Case 5 I'm starting with document.write, and I'm just writing here H1 or H2, whatever I want to take, I can take. Let's take finally Friday. And then break will be used to break this. I'm just copying and updating it here, making the changes into it. 6 and case 0. So this is going to be Super Saturday. And then Sleepy Sunday. Okay, we don't have any of these weekends right now, so obviously it is going to be in the default part. Default is basically there if you are not having any conditions, any case match, then it goes towards the default section. Okay, So here it will be just printing, not a weekend, like waiting forward. You can say looking forward to this weekend. Okay, looking forward to this weekend, and even this only is the message we will be getting here, because simply today is Monday, not the weekend. So that's why. Let's run it, and this is going to be the file 7 here. And you can see looking forward to this weekend, because we obviously know that today is Monday. It's nothing like Saturday, Friday, or Sunday. So accordingly, we are getting the output.